Dinglehopper Pizzeria and Pasta. My brother found this or discovered this online. Look at that. The facade is really good. Yep. And here the food, our orders. We got one pizza each, some wedges, some pasta. Oh, it's so good. So you see that? Yes, perfect. Yep. Before we delve into that, here's the drive along ways. Here we start at Marcos Highway, the edge by SM Masinag. We make a right turn on the Sumulong intersection. We keep going up towards Antipolo. Yes, I see Waze starts here because we're in Valley Golf. Keep going straight after Meralco Academy. You'll see on your left is Our Lady of Fatima Antipolo. Keep going straight after Eugenio Lopez. It's Cloud 9. Keep going straight, and you're almost there. Here. Alright, so on this section here, we start with the onboard. Let's go. Here we are. Okay. Keep going straight. And then there's a right turn. You will not miss it. You'll see it's kind of like a big or a decent intersection. So you're gonna see cars turn right here. Okay, we make a right turn over here, going to Nuestra Señora de la Paz subdivision. You can actually Waze that or pin that the Waze, and you can see the location. Yep, you go straight inside. All right. After the guard realized we're going to Dinglehopper, he said, "Yes, go on straight." On the second left turn, we make a left, or on the second corner. So keep going straight. This is the first one. Yep, keep going. Here, the second one is upcoming. Right here, we make a left turn here, as per Waze. All right, make a left turn, and you're right about there. Keep going straight. Right here, over there is Dinglehopper. Here's the facade. Look at that. Looks good and cozy, right? Yep. Here, and we found a chair. Here, we're gonna sit down here on the side. Car. Here we are on the table. Yes, you can see. And the ambiance is really nice. I really love it here. Dinglehopper. Oh yeah. Looks good and clean, right? And it's actually, I'm quite surprised there's a place like this in inside the village in Antipolo. It's really so nice, right? Yep, and as we're waiting for our orders, here's our orders. Here's the menu. All right. Here, my brother had the Aloha Mama pizza, and I had the Alibaba pizza. Of course, we had the potato wedges, the Ruby Soho. This has the southern style caldereta sauce. So good. And my brother had the hot fuzz, the pasta, white sauce. It's good. My drink is Hocus Pocus lemonade. My brother had Coke. And here's his Aloha Mama pizza. Looks really good, right? It's homemade. And my Hocus Pocus lemonade and his hot fuzz pasta. See, the homemade pizza looks really good, right? And here, try to put the Coke can next to it. You can see the serving is huge. This basically is good for two. And here's my Hocus Pocus lemonade. Oh, so good. Yes, my phone is on live right now. Yep, Dinglehopper. This is a nice place. And look closer on the pasta with the truffles and the mushrooms. This is so good. Surprisingly, it's actually really amazing with the chicken breast. It's perfect. Here's the Ruby Soho, the potato wedges with caldereta sauce and cheese. Oh, this is a must try. This is crazy good. Yep. And here, my pizza arrived. My Alibaba, yeah, and my brother's mom Aloha Mama, and then his pasta. Yep, this is so good. And my Hocus Pocus lemonade. Yep, I love this. Yes, and here my phone is on live. You can see, check the playlist here. On live is over there, alright? Because here, oh, this is so good. And we didn't even reach 1.4. It was under 1.4 for all of this. So the price is good, but the food is even better. It's excellent here. We're definitely going back here over and over. Here, I'm trying to finish my pizza, but I'm starting to get full because of the potato wedges. The Ruby Soho was so good. This is our best. Now we have to take home some pizza. And here the lemonade is good. Yep. And here, see, we can check the playlist. The live is there. We're facing the food the whole time or the second half. Yep, Dinglehopper. I'm just surprised of this place. This is our new favorite. Me and my brother agreed we're definitely gonna go back here, not once, not twice, but regularly, because we have to try all of the pasta because it's so good. And they also have rice meals, so that's good. This is after paying Gcash, just having a cigarette here, looking at the facade, enjoying the facade. It looks really, really nice, right? We'll definitely be back here over and over again. And here, let's check their page. Here's their page. Link will be in the description below, right? You gotta check it out because they have good announcements or important announcements in here. Some pro tips are good on the pizza, on the, with the nutty cake. So the tricks there on the pizza. And here you can pro tip, you ask for that cream cheese upgrade. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so good on the pizza, right? Let's look at the pictures of the food. Oh, look at that. Homemade pizza dough is just the best. This is really good. It's so delicious. You guys have to try it. You go here, check the page first before heading here so you can contact them because they're quite responsive. Yes, and you can click here for the other adventures. But oh man, Dinglehopper is like the best place we've ever found. And me and my brother would definitely be back here more than once. We're gonna be going here regularly and posting videos regularly. Alright? So thanks for watching and subscribe this week and check out all the other good stuff here. Alright? Yeah.